Hey yo, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and today we are doing a natural 4C hair wash and go. So here are the products I'll be using. First, water. It's a basic for a perfect wash and go. Then I'll go in with my olive oil hold and shine wrap set mousse. For my curling lotion or cream, I'll be using the Comfort Curl Keeper. Then finally, I'll layer it with an eco styling gel. I'll be using the Argan base. You can use any other type. So you'd want to begin with a clean or a freshly washed hair. Mine is already washed, so I'll go ahead and section my hair into 4 and then work on each section at a time. So even before we begin, I want to be real honest with you and let you know those different hair types have different results when it comes to wash and go. I had to learn this the hard way. So that's my second time doing a wash and go, and the first time, to be honest, I didn't like my curls. I was a bit disappointed because what I wanted, I was expecting was like a 4B, 4A wash and go curls, and I didn't get that because I have a 4C hair. So I'm throwing this out there as a disclaimer. Know your hair type, know what works for you, know the products you're supposed to use, and know what you're expecting at the end of the day so you don't get disappointed. Don't be like me. So the sections are ready. I'll move on to define these curls, and I'll be doing so in smaller sections because I really want to get the product to all parts of the hair. With my detangling brush, I'll go ahead and detangle that section. Make sure there are no kinks and the hair is really detangled from the ends to the roots. This right here is my DIY whipped shea butter. I'll be using that as my moisturizer. That's what I've been using for the entirety of my natural hair journey. It really thickens my natural hair and also moisturizes it. Once I'm done applying that to that section, let's just spray in some water. This part right here is really important. Make sure part of that section is really soaked with the water, the tips, the roots, everywhere. Making sure the hair is really soaked with water is a basic to a perfect wash and go, and I think products works on hair the best when wet. Next, I went in with my olive oil wrap stem mousse, and I could already see my curls popping out. Now I'll layer that up with my curling cream. I'll be using the Comfort Curl Keeper. You just need a few pumps. You don't need much because a small amount of this product goes a long way. Finally, to layer that up, I'll go in with my Eco Styling Gel. I'm using just a small amount. Also, to define the curls, I'm using the smoothing and finger raking. You can also finger curl. Just look how pretty those curls look. I'll go ahead and repeat the sequence for the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Compatible for your pussy, nigga, drop it for me. I see you walk up and now you're tight up stuck in a serious thing, you better give me your body. I don't mind my hands with the hearts, they were close to them, but now we on a party. Wine up on it, your body will arrive, girl, I want your body. Trust me, know you well, tell you, I'ma drop the honey. Tell me if you want to ride, man, we'll go like Jackie. Whoa, got a big thing for you. I got some big love for you. You know I'm for using for you. As long as you can take it now. This thing is what you're making now. Get naked, cause I got a big thing for you. Get more for using for you. Girl, don't need your neck shine, Miss Lady. Miss Lady. Miss Lady. Girl, don't need your neck shine, Miss Lady. Miss Lady, Miss Lady, girl, don't even next time, Miss Lady. One thing, don't tell nobody about this unless you want that shit, cause I'm now on Miss Positive. Just means I'm real bad, bitch. You are many, but I want a real crisis. So tell me when you're Monday, but come up, bring my got tip on a Friday. Just say you're with your girls, oh really? Make we go so boom to a week ago, so freaky. Come here, drop it for me. You know me from the time I sing a wine up on me. My first song with a home is a bucket for me. Real talk, think of when you find it clappy. You make me go crazy, sexy body. Biggest up, go on shy, come and know you got it. You love to check me with a tie like a 6-round body. I see you with your G-string on a granny buggy. Whoa, got a big thing for you. I got some big love for you. You're more for using for you. So I'm done with all the sections and that's how it's looking. I left it to air dry overnight. You can go ahead and diffuse or use a hair dryer if you want it faster. So that's the next day. My hair is completely dry. My curls are really defined. They are popping. So the next thing I'm going to do is to style this. I'll be making a side path and also smoothing out my edges. So for my edge control, I'll be using this air cream hair wax. I'll apply that to my edges and then smooth it out with my edge brush. So at this point, you can style it however you want to your preference. So for me, after smoothing it out, I went ahead to add in 2 bobby pins to secure the side because I felt it looked cute this way. So stop, free up my seat, and all your tendencies of playing hard to get me again. No, that's a mixture of castor oil and shea oil. I'll apply that to the hair to give it a little shine and also to lock everything in. Finally, I'll add in my cute edges and that will be all for this hairstyle. So that's the final look and I really love how it came out. I really love how cute and curly my hair is. So I kept this in for a week and I received a lot of compliments on this hair. And also you can go ahead and stretch it, but I wanted to keep it this way because I felt it was so cute. And the curls really lasted for a week. I tried different hairstyle with it and the compliments I got on this hair, people really love this hairstyle. So I'll leave links to all products in the description. Be sure to check them out. And also check out my other hair tutorial videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try it? Do you like it? And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.